Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. And once again, it's that time. I want to show you this week's Trade of the Week. So let me show you our real live money trade on Amazon earnings. Please keep in mind it's possible to lose money trading futures. Trade carefully. I'm Lee Goldstein, the trading director for 10-Minute Trades. Amazon was scheduled to release their earnings Thursday after the market closed. We do a lot of research so that we can have profitable earnings trades, trading futures with the NinjaTrader platform while we watch the real stock price. We study Amazon's earnings and how it moves the NQ futures, and today was no exception. Our orders are going to go on the chart. The little X's are the orders we place with our software. What we're expecting to happen is Amazon's earnings are going to come out. It's going to move the stock, which is also going to make the NQ futures explode. And you're going to see in a matter of seconds, that's exactly what's going to happen because Amazon released their earnings just when we expected them to. The trade is now over. It took about 1 second and we made a profit of over $1,100. Let me show you the profit screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Here's the proof. $1,105 realized in our account. That means real money. This is the candle that we traded. That's the price movement that you just saw. The price moved up, it went through our orders, it pulled us into the market, it hit our targets, and in seconds, we were up over $1,100 on Amazon earnings. That's our trade of the week. So what you want to do is make your way into our trade room, learn all about appointment-based trading so you can take part and be in our great trades. We trade Apple, we trade Amazon, we trade Facebook, many different earnings reports, and they are a great opportunity for profits. My name is Lee Goldstein, $1,105 on Amazon earnings. You can do it if you learn to trade appointment-based trading on a schedule. See you in the trade room.